Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine, good, doing very well. So today in this video I am going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas of summer wears, floral midi dress design ideas for ladies and girls. Latest collection, latest design ideas of floral midi dresses today I have collected for you in this video within different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different prints, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of midi dresses for ladies and girls. So if you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of midi dresses, floral styles midi dresses, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. So must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of midi dresses for your party wears, for your casual wears, for your daily work wears in the summer season. So you will be find out A-line style midi dresses, you will be find out belty styles, you will be find out layer styles, flare style dress design ideas of midi dresses, belty style design, skater style midi dresses, short frock style midi dress, knee-length style dresses, different neck designs and amazing sleeve design ideas. You will be find out embroidery work styles, floral work styles, ruffle work styles, frill styles, layer styles of dresses. I hope so this video is going to be helpful for you and useful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of midi dresses. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too. You will enjoy this video. So you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of midi dresses in this video. So must watch this video till the end. Very beautiful designs, very beautiful ideas of midi dresses are coming up next in this video. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of midi dresses, so please dear ladies and girls, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of floral midi dresses for ladies and girls, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinion, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to share your opinions. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more collection and for more ideas and for more designs. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will be find out mother of the bride dresses, party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, maxi style dresses, gown style dresses, midi dresses, skater dresses, frock style dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check other collection of dresses. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. So as you can see, different styles and different designs of dresses. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too and you will enjoy this video. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.